Liyaxhalabisa izinga eliphezulu lamadoda azibulalayo xa kuthelekiswa nelo lamanina. Libalelwa kumyinge ka-80% inani lamadoda azibulalayo. Kusenjalo, isebe lamanina, ulutsha nabo banokhubazeka lichaze ukunyuka kwezinga ngempilo yasengqondweni kumadoda namakhwenkwe njengomba otshisa ibunzi nodinga ukunikwa ingqalelo. Eli sebe loleke ngokumemelela urhulumente kunye nabahlali ukuba bathathe amanyathelo ngoku. Likwamemelele ukuba urhulumente ayibhengeze njengentlekele kazwelonke lenyewe. Intatheli yethu Puseletso Mokoena wenze le ngxelo.
June is observed as Men's Mental Health Awareness Month in South Africa, a time dedicated to encouraging open conversations about mental health, reducing stigma, and promoting support for issues such as depression, anxiety, substance abuse, and suicide prevention. While government has introduced programs aiming at addressing mental health challenges, the founder of Amataima Brotherhood Circle, Titi Mba, believes men and boys continue to be overlooked.
They're not doing enough for men, they're not doing enough for the boy child. You are building all these programs around girl children, take a girl child to work. Everything is focused on the girl child. Then you wonder why you've got these boys that are rebellious. Then you wonder why you've got these boys that are bullies at school. It starts there. So put programs together. Come to us as Amataima and talk to us. We are engaging with men and boys on a daily basis. We know how they are wired. There is no point. So government, please focus on us as men.
Mental health advocacy group SEDEC says deeply rooted social norms continue to discourage men from seeking help.
1 in 4, men are 4 times likely to die by suicide or have anxiety than females. Being the case that women report and they talk about it, but as men, we don't talk about anxiety, we don't talk about depression because of it's not seen as a mental health challenge, So if I can make an example, the calls that we get, we will field around 1.5 to 3,000 calls per day. Of those calls, majority of them, it's females calling for either their loved one or their partners.
Mental health illness is described as a medical issue that significantly affects a person's thinking, feeling, mood, or behavior. However, 36-year-old Ofinze Tabani describes it as a shadow lingering in the place where light once flowed freely.
When my anger issue started affecting my social spaces and my relationships as well, I then had to introspect because there's one specific relationship that actually drove me to a point of depression, which actually now forced me to get into therapy. So when I went into therapy, that's when we started to dissect. And that's when I realized that I have a problem. It feels dark. It feels like you're walking in a tunnel. You can see the light at the end, but you're walking on a hot coal and you don't know when this heat is going to stop, internally and mentally.
As calls grow for greater support and targeted interventions for men and boys, mental health advocates say awareness campaigns must translate into meaningful actions. Their message is simple: no man should have to suffer in silence. Puseletso Mokoena, SABC News, Johannesburg.
Ukuthetha banzi ngalentsida badala siza kuthetha banzi ngendlela esinokuphawula okanye esinokuwaphula ngayo lamaqhina ukothula nokusinda ubomi. Siza kudlana indlebe nengcali yempilo yengqondo uBrian Mhlongo. Brian Mhlongo, masikubulise sikwamkele apha eSABC lihaye. Sibambe ngazibini ngexesha lakho.
Ndiyabonga nami for being part of the show. Ndiyabingelela nakuba viewers of the show as well.
Enkosi kakhulu. Brian, uxinzelelo lwengqondo emadodeni ludla ngokuzibonakalisa ngomsindo, ucaphuka okanye ukusebenza ngokugqithisileyo kunokuba lubonakale ngosizi. Ekutheni lento luziveza ngolohlobo yaye ezeziphi iimpawu ekufuneka iintsapho ziqaphele?
Ziningi iimpawu that kumele abantu bayijonge or more especially to men lekumele bayibone ngoba abantu abaninzi manje sizama ukuthi kube ne-awareness that is related to men ukuthi amadoda nawo aye abone ukuthi ibaluleke kangakanani indaba ye-mental health especially kule side labo lamadoda. So izinto eziningi uthola ukuthi amadoda ahlangabezana ney'nkinga ey'ningi la ey'mpilweni zabo, but angakhoni ukukhuluma, angakhoni ukushera. But ama-signs akhona la ubona ukuthi maybe umuntu manje ustruggle nge-mental illness or kukhona izinto lezi zingahambi kahle ey'mpilweni zakhe. Singabona ngokuthi umuntu aqale ayi-isolate, acale ukuhlala yedwa, angasahlali nabantu, acale ukuwumuntu okwata kakhulu kuyena, ungayese yena umuntu lo maybe simjwayele, angasahlekehleki kakhulu.